Hello dear traders, welcome to NSBroker. My name is Sophie Johnson, I'm Senior Manager here, and today we are going to talk about the review on the financial market for this week. And let us go to our platform on the MetaTrader 5. And today, as we are providing you the information about the review, right? All our predictions on this week. Let us take to the consideration the situation with the new strain of the COVID Delta. So due to the spread of this new strain in Australia, there are going some bad situations due to that, and Australian dollar was falling and falling more, and now it is on the deepest point of the price, so this is the best time to place this position on buy. And all our indicators, right, the Bollinger Bands showing us that it is on the deepest point, and this is the signal for you that the price will be going up. As we can see here, already price is going up, and stochastic showing us the same, right? Price already touched the 20% level, the deepest point, and now it will be going up. And as well, due to the same situation, due to the strain delta of the COVID virus, oil was falling and will be falling more. Let us find our asset of the oil. I will choose Brent one. Here we have the situation. Yesterday, 2 days it was falling, right? We can see this example, and when we will open day one chart or weekly chart, we can take to the consideration, we can understand that the price will be falling more. Why it is so? This is due to the fact that borders closed due to the COVID Delta, and demand for oil decreases, as well demand for the fuel decreases, and accordingly the price of the oil falls. And as well, our company provides the traders offer of the dividends, which guarantees you income from the stocks. You can get dividends, and then after the date when the company will pay you the amount of the dividends, price of the stock will be falling, so you can earn exactly on this fall of the price. So twicely you will get the profit from the dividends, and as well on the sell trade. For example, on the 5th, tomorrow, right, the Intel company, let us find Intel, IBM, Intel company will be paying dividends, which will be $1.64 per share. Then on the 6th of the August, the dividends will be paying Apple as well. Let me open you another chart. Take a look, right? When the Apple paying the dividends, then the price is falling. For example, we can see the previous month's situation as price was going up, as all investors were putting inside of the stock of the Apple their capitals, then price is falling due to the paying of the dividends. So you can get the profit twicely, as I mentioned, right? When the company pays you the dividend, you will know the exact amount that you will get from that, and you can get the profit on the sell trade after the date of the paying the dividends. And on the 8th, the dividends will be paying IBM. The price of the dividend per share will be 34 cents. So for example, when you will buy 10 shares, your profit will be $34, right? And as well, as I mentioned, the profit you can get from the sell trade there. As well, we can analyze indices. France 40, it is on the highest point right now, so we can analyze that the situation few months ago up to 1 year was on the middle point, and right now it is on the highest point of the price. So as I mentioned to you before, and all my traders in my team know the main idea, that when the price is on the highest point, nearest time it will be falling down and you can earn excellent profits there. So right now this is the excellent time for the sell trade. I can recommend you to open the trade on the sell with the France index and all the indicators showing us, and we can make the analysis that Bollinger Band, so showing us that the price will touch the highest point of the Bollinger and then will be falling down, and as well stochastic showing us the same, that already price crossed the highest point of the stochastic and then it will be falling down. The same situation we can see with the S&P 500. So as I mentioned you before, the same situation. Right now, price is on the highest point, so it will be falling down as well. And I recommend you to open this trade as well on sell. And all indicators showing us the same, that the price will be falling down as the price is on the highest point right now. So as I mentioned to you before on our previous webinars, that breaking news and some events in our world matter a lot on the financial markets. As right now, the new strain of the coronavirus, Delta, showing us the results of it. So Australian dollar will be going up. So all currency pairs with the Australian dollar, Australian to the Canadian, Australian to the CHF, Australian to the GPY, Australian to the New Zealand dollar, Australian to the US dollar. All the currency pairs, which includes Australian dollar, will be going up. So with no doubt, you can open those trades on buy order, as all analysis are going to this way, and we can analyze Bollinger and stochastic, and you will definitely understood that this trade will be excellent one to provide yourself the amazing income in the result. And as well, the situation with oil, right? As I mentioned, that due to the new strain Delta, it is as well falling and will be falling more, but as well with some corrections, of course. So what about gold? Because I all the time receiving the messages from my traders, what is going on with gold, right? And what we need to do. To be honest, right now it is not the good time with gold, because it is right now in the middle point of the Bollinger. We can see that it is right now here. So we cannot tell you 100% which direction price will go. And I cannot tell you 100% all the time, right? Because here on the financial markets, we have the risk, of course. So better to leave this position and let's wait it for later days. And we can see, right, when the price will touch the highest point one more time, like here was, we can place this order on sell. Or when the price will be falling more, then we can open it on buy order. So all the possibilities are opening for you on the markets, right? And as I mentioned to you before, breaking news and new events in our world are providing us bigger opportunities, right? So take to the consideration today for the trades with the Australian dollar and with the two indices of the S&P 500 and France 40. And my dear traders, wish you to trade successfully, and waiting for your questions. And our newcomers, I will be glad to hear you in my team, and wish you to have a good day. So see you on our next webinar.